Hi. Before you get into this video, hi, I'm Jordan. I'm 22. This is my first video. It's very unprofessional. I don't have a setup or anything, so please bear with me at this time. This is my first video. Please bear with me. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to do your eyebrows. So keep watching. Thank you. So today I'm gonna teach y'all how to do y'all bald eyebrows, because I ain't got none clearly. So what y'all gonna need is some eyebrow dip in y'all color that y'all use, okay? A spoolie, and y'all gonna need a beauty blender, but mine's is bit and shoot the fuck up, so we still gonna use this though. And then we're gonna use some concealer. I use this because I don't wear makeup, so it don't really matter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, oh shit, and this is the most important part. This thing, I don't know what it's called, but we're gonna need it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna dip your brush into your dip, right? And so move my hair back. You're gonna dip it in, and then we're gonna take it. I do it like this. This is how I do it. So if y'all can do it this way, like I do it, then cool. If I can't, cool. But I'm gonna teach you how I do it. So we're gonna take this, and then we're gonna go out like this, and then go down like that. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. And then we're gonna take this, and then we're gonna pull it back. So like that. So pull it back like that, and it could touch the end part. Okay. Get some more product. Okay. And then we're gonna go on the bottom, and then we're gonna blend it back, and then you're gonna connect it to the tail of the eyebrow, like so. So then after you do that, the product that you have on the this thing, you're gonna just blend it in like so. And there you have your eyebrow. Boom. Boom. I don't even need concealer, but I'm gonna use it though. Okay, this came out good. Hopefully the other one comes out just as good. Okay, and I do this one different from this one. So for the right eyebrow, I just go and start at the front. So what I do is go all the way back, and then I go down. So what I did was just go up and then go down like that. And then I'm gonna use more product, and then I go on the bottom and go up and around. So we're gonna do this real quick. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror so I can make sure it's decent. All right, it's decent. And so she's loud as fuck. And yeah, we're gonna connect it. That's my sister. She's just so fucking loud. And then we're gonna take the remaining product on the brush, and then we're gonna just do it like that. Look at that shit. Blend it in, blend it in, blend it in, blend it in. Make sure it looks cool. Blend that shit in, blend that in. And yeah, we're gonna blend that in. I'm put it up at the top a little bit. And then yeah, we're just gonna blend that shit out. And yeah. Ta-da! So this one is a little thicker than the other one, but that's where concealer comes into the game. So we're gonna use the concealer to thin it out and make it kind of even. So I'm gonna fix this shit at the bottom because it look kind of weird. So I'm gonna just, yeah, there we go. Come down. I kind of messed it up, but it's whatever. It's whatever. We gonna fix it because the concealer gonna fix it. So what I do, take the concealer, right? I got some on here. And yeah, then we're gonna take the concealer and then go under our eyebrows so we can have a nice clean eyebrow. So we're gonna just, yeah, we're just gonna clean it up at the bottom. Make sure it looks cool. It looks cool to me. It looks clean. Okay, cool. Then you're gonna clean this one up a little bit. Okay, that looks cool. So yeah, and then I'll wet my beauty blender with some water real quick. And I just go underneath and just clean it up. And then I just clean it up like that, you know. And then go underneath the other one and just clean it up real quick. Boom. And then what I do in the front to make it like look not as dark as the rest of the eyebrow, I just dab it on, dab even on the front, right? And then I take my spoolie and just, you know, make it look like it's not as dark. Because you don't want eyebrows that look like they're dark as shit, all, like throughout the whole eyebrow. That looks stupid. So blend it out to your liking. So a little bit more. And yeah, I'm pretty much done. That took like 5 minutes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wet this a little bit more. And then yeah, you know, make sure it look cool. And then you fix it up how you want it. Alright, so it looks pretty much cool to me. I think it looks alright for eyebrow that took like 5 minutes. So we're gonna do that. Let me see. I think it looks good. I don't really do a lot of my eyebrows. So that's the look. That's the finish. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Take 5 minutes. All right, well, that's all.